Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade with a demo account on TradeLocker. So right now we have here the TradeLocker, so we downloaded TradeLocker. First of all, make sure that it's standing on demo. You can change it by clicking on switch, but I have demo right here, so that is fine for now. Then what I'm going to do is I go right here to GageFX, and we need an account on GageFX because TradeLocker has 4 supported brokers, and I tried the GateFX. So from here on GateFX, I verified my account, did everything, and then after this we can start trading with a demo account by going right here to Accounts Overview and click here on Open Demo Account. Then right here we select here the TradeLocker demo, continue. Then from here we select right here the leverage that we want to use, let's do standard. And then from here we can change here the initial balance, and we definitely need to do USD. There's no other option. So right now we select here 100k and then we do continue. Then from here we do continue again. And now we received in our email our password and our login ID. So we go to Accounts Overview. Right now you will find here your account. So then we go to our email, and then what we need to do is we need to copy paste our email right here. We need to copy paste our passwords right here, and we need to copy the login server to here. And now if you do login, we can log in with our account. And if you can see right here on the left side in the top, you will see here the TradeLocker logo with a demo account. So this is how you can use or how you can trade with a demo account on TradeLocker. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.